take it slow.
To my channel. So today's video is the 4th video in my 5-part series, which is why I post new video every single day. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video and any other series like this. For day 4, I bought in some DIY notebooks so you guys can have the coolest notebook for back to school. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so and come say hey. And before we get into the video, let me know in the comments which is your favorite subjects. Mine was definitely English. And without further ado, let's get into it.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
This DIY is for all those of you guys who are not feeling crafty for back to school but still want cute school supplies. So if this is you, then this DIY is for you, as it is so easy and you don't need a lot of school supplies either. All you guys need is a notebook, and you're also gonna need a piece of A4 size sheet, and just cut it down to the size of your notebook. And lastly, all you guys need is some colorful pens. But all I'm doing is drawing some super small images all over my notebook. And this is the easiest thing to draw, but if you guys need a little bit of inspiration, I just went in and draw crown, watermelon and some sassy quotes. And as I said, if you guys are looking for inspiration, just go on Google and type in Tumblr PNGs and the all-time cutest stuff will come up and will give you heaps of inspiration. Get stuck. But once I finished drawing, I just glued on my notebook.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be.
If you guys suck at DIYs, then you should definitely try out this notebook. This one is super easy, like seriously. All you guys need is some paint. You're also gonna need some cotton swab, or if you don't have cotton swab, then you can use pencils which have the eraser end. And make sure the eraser side isn't used, because if you have, then it probably wouldn't work. So taking the cotton swab, just dip it into the paint and you will have the perfect size polka dot in front of your notebook. I went in and did super multicolor, which I'm super obsessed with on how it turned out, and you guys can go in and customize it with your favorite color.
If you guys are into glittery stuff, you're so gonna love this notebook. To make this, all you're gonna need is a book and a foam glitter sheet. And if your notebook has a picture just like mine, then just go ahead and cover it with the chart paper. So taking a triangle that I cut out in craft paper, I just traced around it in alternative patterns. So one triangle will be up and the other facing down. Also, pro tip is to do it on the inside of your notebook. So when you finish the DIY, there is no traces of pencil mark. Once it's done, all you have to do is to cut out the triangles, and it is so much easier with the ruler, although you have lines on. And finally, take the glittery foam sheet and stick it in the inside of the front cover, and you're left with a super cute notebook.
Was your favorite, and while you're in the comments, let me know which is your favorite subject. And if you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so and come say hey. Also, I post new video every single week, so make sure that you follow me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys